Improve your credit score fast by first understanding exactly where you stand and why your score is low. Start by carefully reviewing your credit report to identify missed payments, high balances, and negative marks. Your credit score is a powerful number that determines your financial opportunities, so knowing your range is essential. Every financial decision leads you toward better or worse credit, so choose the path that builds long-term trust. Always check for errors in your credit report, because even small mistakes can significantly lower your score. Disputing incorrect information can quickly remove negative items and give your score an immediate boost. Paying all your bills on time consistently is one of the fastest ways to build strong credit history. High credit utilization can hurt your score, so keeping your usage low is critical for improvement. Reducing your balance below 30% shows lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. Setting up automatic payments ensures you never miss a due date and keeps your payment history clean. Using a secured credit card wisely can help rebuild your credit, even if you are starting from a low score. Small, regular purchases paid off on time demonstrate responsible behavior to credit bureaus. Avoid applying for too many loans or cards at once, because multiple inquiries can lower your score. Tracking your progress regularly helps you stay motivated and focused on improvement. Maintaining a healthy mix of credit types improves your overall credit profile. Keeping older accounts open strengthens your credit history and increases your score over time. Organizing your finances with a clear budget gives you better control over your money. Building an emergency fund protects you from missing payments during unexpected situations. Monitoring your credit frequently helps you catch issues early and maintain steady growth. Reaching your first milestone shows that consistent actions can quickly start improving your credit score. Compare your old financial habits with your new disciplined approach to clearly see what is improving your credit. An increase in your credit limit can lower your utilization and positively impact your score. Using only a small portion of your available credit shows strong financial control to lenders. Setting reminders for every payment ensures you stay consistent and avoid costly late fees. A perfect on-time payment history builds trust and is one of the most important factors in your score. Ignoring unnecessary loan offers helps you stay focused on long-term credit growth. As your score crosses new levels, you begin to unlock better financial opportunities. Understanding each section of your credit report helps you improve strategically instead of guessing. Balancing debt reduction with saving money creates a stable and healthy financial system. Making small but consistent payments reduces debt faster than waiting for large payments. Lower interest rates become available as your creditworthiness improves over time. Better credit increases your chances of getting approved for loans and financial products. Comparing high and low interest scenarios shows how much money you can save with a better score. Simplifying your accounts makes it easier to manage your finances efficiently. Meeting every payment deadline strengthens your reliability in the eyes of lenders. Following a structured 30-day plan keeps your progress steady and measurable. Pre-approval offers begin to appear as your credit profile becomes stronger. A rising score reflects your improved habits and financial discipline. Better credit opens doors to approvals that were previously out of reach. Reaching higher milestones proves that consistent effort leads to real financial results. A clean credit report with positive marks reflects your consistent effort and smart financial decisions. As your score continues to rise, you move closer to premium financial opportunities. A strong payment history becomes your biggest asset in maintaining a high credit score. Managing multiple accounts effectively shows financial maturity and control. Lower interest rates now work in your favor, helping you save more money over time. Your financial transformation proves that disciplined habits can completely change your credit profile. Loan approvals become easier as lenders now see you as a low-risk borrower. Access to better credit cards brings improved benefits and financial flexibility. Completing the final days of your plan confirms your commitment to financial growth. Reaching a strong credit score milestone opens the door to better financial stability. Stable cash flow and controlled spending create a solid financial foundation. Achieving a 100-point increase shows the power of consistent and smart actions. Your improved credit now supports long-term financial freedom and opportunities. Investing wisely becomes easier when your financial base is strong and stable. A clear financial plan keeps your future secure and well-structured. Maintaining a high credit score requires ongoing discipline and awareness. Avoiding risky financial decisions protects the progress you have built. With strong credit, multiple financial opportunities become available to you. Confidence in your financial decisions comes from knowledge and consistency.